We're kind of like a one-arm paper hanger here. It's gonna be hard to film all of this, but kind of dug myself a little hole here. Gonna move all this gravel, so we're gonna lower the bucket down. You can see that. And we're gonna drop her in the dirt, and we're gonna try and chunk and lift, and chunk and lift. Come on, lift it up, baby. All right, that's fair. Got a fair pile there. You gotta keep your load low, or you'll flip over the tractor. Try not to drive over that Christie box. Like I said, you need 3 hands to operate this thing. So, I gotta lower the bucket a little bit, put it in second, and take it out of fourth, and off we go. Ah, face shot. Windy, right in your face. A lot of dust. How much we moved already? Fair amount. The pile got so big we had to start stacking it from the other side. We got to boom up a little bit so I don't hit the hillside, and then turn around. And then we raise it up, tilt it forward, raise it up. You can't do both at the same time. Get close, get it high, and dump her. And then we back out of that situation. Drop her down and go do it again. Have a good day.